Let's plant a salsa garden! Because the ingredients for salsa can all be co-planted or planted together, this salsa bed setup is a great choice for a raised garden bed. We'll be planting in our Vego garden 17-inch tall 10-in-1, which already has 2 in-ground worm composters buried in the bed. This will help supercharge all of our plants in the bed, and we're leaving the green onions in the middle of the bed as well because it's a perfect salsa ingredient. To prep the bed before planting, we pulled back our irrigation and amended the soil with a high-quality organic fertilizer like the Ultimate from our Houston neighbor Microlife. Be sure to mix the fertilizer into the top few inches of soil before planting. This helps prevent the fertilizer from piling up around the plant and distributes it throughout the soil as it breaks down. The most important plant for any salsa bed, tomatoes. We planted these tomatoes in our Vego garden jumbo seedling trays, which left the tomatoes plenty of space to develop thick stalks and a healthy, thriving root system for transplanting. In addition, we planted onions, nasturtium, chives, cilantro, more tomatoes, and peppers. Lay out your transplants before planting to ensure good spacing and an organized look. The Hori Hori makes a great planting assistant to measure depth and pull back the soil in a breeze. Be sure to press for good seed-to-soil contact. Next, install tomato cages or trellises around your tomatoes because as they grow, they'll need support. Finally, mulch. Whatever organic mulch you choose, this is so important for moisture retention in the heat of the summer. Tune in to see how our salsa turns out, and happy gardening.